everyone. My strategy on gold. I want to share my strategy on gold. So, and also I want to make a back of like 2 or 3 days like that on how the strategy works. So, firstly, it's very simple. Number one thing you're going to do is that you're going to focus on your 1 hour time frame and also lower time frame. So now you can see on my screen right now that I have New York session, which is denoted by this column, this section, while this other one is the Tokyo session, which is the Asian session. All right. So now I want to focus on how we can catch the New York session. All right. But how do you catch it? We just want to be very careful to know what the London session would do. Then with that, we'll now decide what to do in the New York session. All right. Now let's focus on this particular chart, this first one here, which is on 1 hour time frame. So now what do? Is that you're going to be looking for an effective move during the London session, in which you are going to be spotting your zone, in which you are going to be marking for your decision. Don't forget that the overall bias of gold is buy. Even from the 4 time frame, you see that gold has been giving us a bullish vibe all this while. But nevertheless, how do we catch the New York session daily using a strategy? Now let's dive into the system. Now, before how we do that, let me make a play. So this is what happened on Friday, which is 24th of October, which was yesterday. All right. Now let's make a quick play from here. Now don't forget that what you're going to look out for in the strategy is that you're going to look for an impulsive move to the upside or the downside. Now we have an impulsive move here to the downside, obviously, and it also breaks structure. All right. Now this is the structure that it's broke. Here we have this. So don't forget that we are still in the London session. You can see it below here. So the column of the color here is your London session, right? So after you have marked it, you have actually spotted your, but you don't have to bother yourself about this indicator. So once you once you see an impulsive move in the morning, of course, it means that the London session has started already. All right. So what do? Then you mark your zone. So you come here, you mark the body of the candle. This candle here, this bullish candle, you mark the body. So it means that this is where you're going to be waiting to make your decision. Either you are buying or selling, you can't say yes until price gets here. All right. Now, after you have spot your zone, then of course you are done with 1 hour time frame. Your 1 hour time frame is for you to spot the impulsive move and mark your zone. So once you have marked your zone on 1 hour time frame, then you are good to go. All right. Then you will now spot the same zone, as I've done on 1 hour. Then let's spot it also on 15 minutes. So let me first change the time frame to 15 minutes. All right. So this is 15 minutes. So of course you can go lower, but start for 15 minutes. But if you don't see your confirmation on 15 minutes, you can go to lower time frame, of course. Or if you want to enter early, you can use your 1 minute, 5 minutes for entry, okay? But you can have your confidence also on 15 minutes. Now let's go to 15 minutes. So we're going to be spotting the same zone on 15 minutes. Now let's go there. So this same zone on 15 minutes is here. All right. Now let me do the replay. So don't forget that we are expecting price to come here before we make decision. Now let's see what happens. Price already coming there. It's there. It's there. Now, yes. Price is there yet now. Would we say that we are buying or selling? Now let's see. Let me zoom it and see what is happening here. More clearer. Now see what happened. Yeah, price has tapped to the zone, but we can't decide yet because obviously there is no confirmation. Now let's wait again and let's see what next candle will be. Yeah. Now we have this. This will have given us a bullish, no, sorry, a bearish engulfing candle at the zone. So of course we have said that oh, this is a very good opportunity for us to what to sell, but don't be deceived by it because from here, right from here, you can see that like buyers have taken over actually from here. You can see there's a break of high here, giving us a new high. So we can't just conclude that we are selling yet. So we'll need to be very patient to wait for a better confirmation for the sell, or else we can be liquidated from the market. Now looking at what is happening here, so obviously we need to wait again. Now let's see the next candle. If this next candle will give us a more confirmation that oh, this sell will hold. Of course, you can see what is happening now. You can see that we have this, this bullish move again around the zone. So we can't just say we want to jump in to sell now because, of course, our sell has not been yet confirmed. Now let's do more confirmation and let's see. Now, yes, obviously you can see what price has done now. Price has given us a new high. All right, breaking this high, obviously. So we'll say that this is a very good time for us to buy. Then this confirmation, what do? Then you look for your buy entry. For your buy, you can see that the higher high still continues. So we would have entered for the sell here, which did not hold. So it showed that buyers are still in the market. So of course, then now if you go to your lower time frame, you will see more understanding of the price action here. Probably you see more interpretation. But let's limit ourselves to 15 minutes so you can explore more. Go to 5 minutes, go to 1 minute and enter, right? But of course, with what we have seen here, it still shows that market is still giving us the bullish move because it has created a new high again around our zone. Then of course we will have decided of going for a buy because there is no pattern for a sell here at all. Then since we have our new high here, then this will be our stop loss. Our stop loss level will be here because this is the new high that we spotted for the buy. Sorry, this is the new higher low. Then we'll extend it a little bit ahead of this. Then we'll see what now happen. Don't forget our stop loss is here. All right. Then let's say we enter around this place. Okay. Now let's see what now happen. Let's play it. Can you see? Can you see what happened? Finally, our TP has been hit. So our TP has been hit for Friday. So now let's go again to Thursday and let's see what happened on Thursday. Don't forget, what we're going to do is that we are going to look for. Now on Thursday, we will start from the London session. All right. So London session. All right. This is where it starts from, as you can see clearly. All right. So let me backtest from here. But yet we have not yet started here because there's no impulsive move. Of course, let's see if there's an impulsive move. Let's see. Sorry, I think I've done this. Let's focus on this one, please. All right. So let's see if we have the impulsive move. All right. So now we have London started. Now we have the impulsive move. So these are impulsive. After I spot the impulsive move, you will now mark your area of decision, which is this place. All right. So you mark here. So this is the zone you are going to be deciding. You mark the body of this candle. All right. So you're going to be waiting there for price to return back. After you have marked your zone here, then let's go to our 15 minutes so that when price gets here, we'll be able to interpret what price is doing around our zone. Now let's do that. Let's plot that zone. Yeah. So this is the zone that we marked. So this is zone we marked on hour, right? On 1 hour, if you can observe clearly, you see. Yes. Somewhere around there. So once you mark your zone on 1 hour, so automatically it will reflect on your 15 minutes, all right? So let's see what let's see what happened. Okay. So come there, press come there, press come there, press come there. Press is like it's not yet there. Let's see what will happen. The price is not coming there. Let's see. The price is coming towards there. Yeah, very good, very good. Now you can see what price is. Price tap into our zone, and immediately it starts doing what? It starts moving up. But of course, you might be like, if you want to enter here on time, it means you may probably have been in on your 5 minutes. Immediately after price has tapped here, I'm very sure if you go to your 5 minutes, you'll have seen a change of trend on your lower time frame around this place. All right. So let's see, probably do time. Of course, if there is a tap like this in the market, sometimes if it doesn't give us a kind of consolidation, if you just tap it and there are chances that it will come back again to give a second entry hand. Let's see what happened. Price later came back around the zone again to give us another confirmation, another entry to what? To buy. Then, of course, we will have taken our buy from here. Let's say we have taken it around from here. Immediately we have our after price has started to our zone. So here, of course, so let's say we have entered here. All right, so our target will have been here. This is our next target. All right. Then we'll have entered like this. Let's say we entered just immediately after this place. All right. Our stop loss is just like 75 pips to make around 48 pips or something. This one ratio, almost 1:2. All right. So now let's move. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. So you can see our price is doing. Yeah. Yeah. Now you now see that unfortunately for us, the session has almost ended. See what happened? Yes. See what happened? So you can see. Yeah. We have a new session already started already, which is a nice session. So we'll have closed our profit for the day. All right. You can see this what happened around 11 p.m. or something. So that is when all this thing started. So of course, so we'll have just taken our little profits, then move out of the market because the session for New York has already ended. So if you backtest, for all other days, you will see that that's how well it works. So for the coming week, we can also apply the same strategy for each day. All right, don't forget your 1 hour mark your zone. After marking your zone 1 hour, then you wait for price to come to your zone. Once price get to your zone, you switch to your lower time frame. All right. So interpret what the price is saying as simple as it's very simple. So it's not until you learn all these big trading term before you can have a strategy. No, you can just master this one and you are going to go every day. It prints well on gold. All right. So thank you for listening.